one process for hundreds of installations. Microsoft's System Preparation Tool, or Sysprep, enables IT administrators to install all the necessary programs for an organization on multiple computers at once. IT only uses Sysprep when installing new instances of Windows. Sysprep is typically used in virtualized environments to prepare a system image, or installation, that will be cloned. Typically, a system administrator might create a template for a system build and customize the OS. But in doing that, the OS gives the system a unique system identifier, or SID. Clone the build, you clone the SID. This introduces all kinds of problems, including invalid software licenses, errors in Microsoft Office, duplicate hostname or IP address, and duplicate user logins. Sysprep performs a fresh install to avoid these problems. It's usually used in 3 situations. First, to duplicate an established Windows image across a large number of identical PCs, like in a company that needs to establish a baseline configuration or standard desktop image for employees. Second, Sysprep can use the same established Windows image as a foundation for many different PCs, adding desired drivers and applications for each unique system. And third, Sysprep can be used in Audit mode, which customizes the Windows image. Audit mode allows the addition of applications, drivers, and scripts and supports image installation testing.